Taking a live look right now at traffic along I-235. Traffic's moving fairly smoothly, no traffic types right now. Now, as far as the temperatures go, we got 20 degrees here in the metro, but with the wind chill, it feels like 13, so it's pretty chilly. Now, for the rest of the state, we got 14 in Enid, 22 in Clinton, 24 down in Lawton, and only 17 in Stillwater. Now, for the lows tonight, there's no way about it, folks. It's going to be brutal. Some places in the state, Bartlesville's only seeing in single digits. Now, for the rest of the state, we're looking at teens. We got 13 in Enid, 15 in Clinton, 16 down in Lawton, and only 14 in Stillwater. So it's going to be cold, folks. Now, what those low temperatures are going to be doing is that any precipitation we had, any snow or ice on the roadways that ended up melting today, that's going to end up refreezing. So make sure you use caution tomorrow on your morning commute, as we got a moderate chance of this ice impacting your morning commute. So make sure you keep a lookout on that tomorrow whenever you're on the roads. Now, what we're looking at for tomorrow, like I said, tonight it's going to bottom off around 15, but tomorrow will start off fairly brisk around 20 degrees, but around noon we should finally get up above freezing, and then we'll top off tomorrow afternoon around 45 degrees, so not too bad. Now, highs for the rest of the state, we got 45 here in the metro, 42 in Enid, 49 down in Lawton, and we got 45 over here in Seminole. So it's going to be a lot nicer than it was today. Now, Wednesday is going to bring the next chance of precipitation we're going to be seeing. It's not going to be too high of a chance of precipitation, as we're only looking at 30s and 20s, but what we're mainly looking at is that this little corridor that runs right here along I-40, anything north of that, we're going to be seeing a rain-snow mix, but anything south of that, the main type of precipitation you'll see is going to be rain. So that's what we're looking at on Wednesday. Now, how is this going to impact your travel on Wednesday? Nothing too bad. We just got a slight risk for the bridges, but other than that, it's going to be a lot better than what we've been seeing with this past system. Now, after that, the next system that's going to bring some precipitation to the state is going to be on Saturday. Now, what that's going to bring, what we're looking at, is anything in far northern Oklahoma to northwestern Oklahoma. It's going to be chances of rain, snow mix, maybe even some ice possibilities, so we'll keep a lookout on that. For the rest of the state, central Oklahoma down to southeastern Oklahoma, the best chance of precipitation is going to be rain. So that's what we're looking at on Saturday. And as far as the forecast for the 7-day, what we're looking at, like I said, tomorrow it'll start off fairly brisk around 20 degrees, but it should warm up nicely to around 45. Wednesday, like I said, we got that 30% chance of precipitation, but it should warm up fairly nicely to around 44. Thursday, we'll finally get above the 50s, folks. We'll make it on Thursday. We got a high of 54, and then the best day of the week is going to be on Friday, heading into the weekend. Last work day of the week, we'll finally get above the 60s after all these days in the teens, so it's going to be really nice. And heading into the weekend, Saturday, like I said, we got that 30% chance of precipitation, high of 42, and then on Sunday, we got that high of 45. So it might be a little chilly for this weekend, but it's still going to be really nice. And you're up to date with the latest First Alert forecast.